Hi, family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. I hope you all are doing amazing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. If you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? So, fam, today we're going to be doing some avocado salad. Let's get right into the recipe. So, fam, the first step in our avocado salad is to wash our vegetables thoroughly and slice them. You could slice them big, small, however you want it. So fam, for the tomatoes, you could leave the seeds in there. I just don't like seeing the seeds in my salad, so I decided to take them out. This recipe is a perfect breakfast and dinner recipe, especially if you have those overripe or those ripe avocados and you don't want to throw them away. You could quickly do this salad for your family. So fam, if you like your salad being crunchy, you could add some lettuce or carrots, but if you don't want, you could still leave them out. They are totally optional. Avocados are heart healthy as they contain good fats that help to lower cholesterol in the blood. So fam, now that our ingredients are ready, we're gonna go ahead and just use a spatula to mix them and then add in our salt, olive oil and vinegar. You want to add them gently and taste them to make sure that you don't put too much. The last thing we're going to be adding is mayo. You could put it at the end because you don't want your avocado looking so mushy, because usually that's what mayo does to it. So just add like 2 teaspoons and gently stir, and then you're ready. And also fam, if you want to add crunch to your salad, you could add some croutons. I'm going to show you how I do it at the end. our avocado salad is ready. Give yourself a treat as usual. You could eat it with some croutons as I showed you earlier, or even with some toasted bread. It works perfectly. Or even empty. It's still a good option. Thank you so much, family, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you next week. God bless you. Bye.